Hello everyone, this is going to be a video of my 1957 Aerocraft, I guess it is. Just got it painted today, taped it off, and, pretty much painted it back to the original color. It could be a shade darker. I built all this stuff, the dash and the center deck. I put the steering wheel and remote controls in last year. And because of our lockdown the last year, I wasn't able to get into the Secretary of State in our state, Michigan, to register it and to transfer the trailer registration, but I got that done Monday and Tuesday. So anyway, it was just a bunch of work taping off, a lot more work than I thought, taping off the water line and the rub strake. And this is a Rust-Oleum metallic blue. Last year I had a Johnson 18 horse, it's a 59 redone, and had some work done on the lower unit and new plugs and wires and fuel lines, and we converted it to an electric start, and then I converted it when I got it home to remote throttle cables and remote shifter. Let's see what else. I got a little electric motor on it, Minn Kota. It's just 30-pound thrust. This is just a seat my brother gave me and I made use of. I'll show you another view of it here. We'll back out a little bit. So when this paint dries today real well, I'm gonna cover it back up because we're having 90% chance of rain tomorrow. So that is the little 57 Aerocraft. I guess these were made over in St. Louis, Michigan, locally here. Well, that's it. I'll see everybody later. Bye.